glasses out for school. She has to wear glasses for schoolwork. And each morning they get to take turns who gets to hold the class pet, and the class pet wants the ball. I can't remember what I named the bird. That's okay. But it is Victoria's turn today, so now, since we're going to start schoolwork, I'm going to put the bird away. Back on its, we'll put it on its little perch right here. There we go, we'll just set it out there. Okay, so, and I want you girls to open your boxes, get out a pencil, and get out a eraser. Okay, Ella, you do the same. Whoops, I switched the boxes up. There we go. Okay, so now there's yours. And I'm going to get their school folders out. So over here I have all their schoolwork. This is the only stuff that we will be needing today. Most days they have more stuff than this. But what they don't know is both of them have a spelling test today. So when they have a test, I don't like them to have as much work. So all they have is a math sheet and their test. Because I know tests can be very stressful. And we're going to do the test first to get everything out of the way, and so that they're not, while they're during math, they're not thinking about that nonstop and have that on their mind. So yeah, these are for math when they have their math. Oops, I showed you guys the answer, but that doesn't matter. This has their test keys in it for me, and then these are their work notebooks. Victoria has blue and Ella has green, and they have their tests in it, so I'm going to get their tests out. Okay, here Victoria. So Victoria's going to start on her test. We're going to start with her test, and Ella is going to do some reading while I give Victoria her test. I'm trying to get it. There we go. There you go, Ella. So read quietly to yourself, and then when I'm finished with Victoria, it'll be your turn. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to kind of face this direction because I don't want Victoria to see the answers. Come on, hold your pencil, please. Okay, there we go. So, spelling test 1. So for number 1, Victoria, you will be writing the word that I dictate. Number 1, and. Have you written it yet? Uh-huh. Number 2, get. Number 3, the. Number 4, no. Number 5, of. And over on the second page, right here, honey, right there. Okay. You will be, for number 6, I will tell you a sentence. There will be a blank. And I don't want you to write anything until I say it the second time. I need to blank oranges. Number A. Letter A, no. Letter B, get. Letter C, of. I need to blank oranges. Letter A, no. Letter B, get. Letter C, of. Number 7. I'm going to read 4 words, and only one of them is your spelling word. I want you to write the word that you think is your spelling word. Number 7. Get. Can. Be. Go. I'm going to read it one more time. Get. Can. Be. Go. Good job. Okay, number 8, 9, and 10 are bonus. I am going to write 3 words, one for number 8, 9, and 10, that or words that have been on one of your worksheets recently. So, number 8. Remember, this is bonus. If you can't think of it, you don't have to do it because it's bonus. Number 8, me. Number 9, can. Number 10, it's a color, red. Okay, you're done?
Yes.
Okay, we're done. Let me have that. So here's her test. I'm going to put that aside. You're done reading for now. Okay, Ella. I'm going to give you your spelling test. Yours is a little bit longer. I think you only have, you have the same amount of questions, just you have one extra spelling word. Okay. And I'm going to, now most likely Victoria would not cheat, but Ella probably would. So, spelling test 1. Have you written your name and the date? Yes, you have. Number 1, I'm going to, for 1 through 6, I'm going to dictate a word on it, which is one of your spelling words. So, for number 1, it is frozen. And guys, if you know these words, why don't you pretend that you get a piece of paper and a pencil out, and you can pretend to take the test too. Maybe it could be a fun activity for you guys. Number 1, frozen. Number 2, store. Number 3, food. Are you finished?
Yes.
Number 4, park. Number 5, book. Number 6, letter. Number 7, I'm going to read a word just like Victoria's. It will have a blank, and I'm going to read it twice. And it's multiple choice. My dad took me to blank. Letter A, park. Letter B, letter. Letter C, food. My dad took me to the blank. Letter A, park. Letter B, letter. Letter C, food. Do you need me to read it one more time?
Yes, please.
Number 7. My dad took me to the blank. Letter A, park. Letter B, letter. Letter C, food. Okay, so as you can see, 8, 9, and 10 are bonus questions. So if you don't know how to spell these words, you can try, but you don't have to do it. But I do encourage you to do it. If you get them right, you will have extra points. Letter 8, it's a bonus question. All these words have been on your worksheet. You have read them or written them, so they should be pretty easy. Number 8, cap. You want me to read a sentence for each word, because I know that sometimes helps you. Share. Number 9, pail. I used a pail to water the plants. Pail. Number 10, time. It is time to go outside. Time. Okay, you just tell me when you're finished, and get those in there. This in here, I will actually grade that in a second. Wait, is that, yeah, that's right. Okay, you finished?
Yes, I'm finished. Okay.
I can't wait for math. You can't wait for math? Let me get Victoria's math sheet out. Victoria has 2 little math sheets that she does. I don't know which one. I don't think she's going to do her little one today. Whoa. Okay. Hold on. There we go. Okay. We're not going to do the little one today. I know how much you love to do those. But you have a big worksheet today. You don't have a big worksheet every day. Okay. So these are their worksheets. Section 1 on Ella's is multiplication, and she only has one section. I don't want you to start yet. Do not pick up your pencils until I say go. And then she has 2 sections. Section 1 is add, section 2 is add 3 to each. That's not what I need. But before we do this, we are going to have, I'm going to put this one in the middle. Kind of mix these up. We are going to go over some of these cards. And I encourage you guys, like I said again, you can try and work these with us. Like, you can try and answer these along with us. Okay, Victoria.
13.
Ella.
9.
Victoria. Well, Ella again.
3.
Ella.
16.
Victoria.
15. 10. 16. 3.
Okay, now I want you both to answer these.
8. 17. 6. 9. 16. 11.
Okay, so we're not going to do any more of those flashcards today because we don't need to do anymore. These are the ones that me and Victoria do together. So Ella, section, like I said, section 1 is multiplication. It's one side, so you can start working on that. Okay, and I will help you if you need help. Okay, 1 plus 3 equals
4.
How about you like this side? Okay, so we have, hold on. We have 3, and we're going to add 1. Let's count them up together. Well, we already did that one. Whoops. Hold on. Let me mix these cards up anyway. Okay, now. And that's the one we already did. Okay, so this one's a addition. So we have 5, and we are going to add 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. We keep coming back to the one we've already done. Okay, this is subtraction. We have 8, and we want to take away 1. So, 8 minus 1 is, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
good job. This is subtraction. We have 4, and we take away 4. If we have 4, and we take away 4, they're the same number. We can't really subtract 4 minus 4. So, we get 0, because there are none there. So, basically we'd say, let me see if I can find a piece of paper. And marker. Whoops. I get a different one. Whoops. I will get that later. Okay, I have 2 markers. So, I'm going to get a first sheet of paper. We have, let's say, we'll do hearts. We have 1 heart, 2 hearts, 3, 4 hearts. And then we say 4, let's take 4 minus 4 equals. Well, we don't know yet what it equals. So if we take away all of those, let me get the different color. If we take away 4 minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, what do we have left? 0, because there are 0 things left. So the answer is 0. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Okay, now let's do one more of these. Oh, you saw that one, so let's not do that one. Let me look for one to do. We want to get one that we haven't done before. Tricky one. Because you're so smart, we need to get you a tricky one. How about, well, there are no tricky ones in here. Do this one. Or is that the one I said you just saw? Yeah, you saw that one. Okay, so let's do this one. So, we have 7 and we want to add 1. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're right. So let me explain that if you don't understand. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 2 groups of 4, which equals, say 4 equals 8. So 4 plus 4, we know, equals 8. Because we have 2 groups of 4 and 8. But, oh wait, I did the wrong one. We have 7. This is wrong. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we have a group of 3 and a group of 4 is what? We have 3 plus 4 equals 7. So we know that. 3 plus 4 equals 7 because we have 3 and 4 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, if we want to add 1 to 7, well, that would be basically, instead we could add that 1 to the 4 and that makes that equal 5. Or we could add it to the 3, which would be this easiest way, and that would now equal 4. And then we say 4 plus 4 equals 8. So there's what we did. So that's not what we're doing. We're doing down here. We have a group of 3, a group of 4. That is equal 3 plus 4 equals 7. And then we add 1. We could add it to the 4, which would make the 4 5, but we're not going to do it that way. There's a simpler way. We make, this is 4, right here, 4. And we add 1 to the 3, which makes that 4, right here. We have 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 is our answer. Okay, so we've done enough of those with Victoria. Do you need any help, Ella?
No.
Let me check what you're doing. Let's see. Hold on, please move your hand. No, that's incorrect. Hold on, look. 3 times 3 equals, it doesn't equal 6. It equals something bigger. So if we have, let's see, we already have, we say 3 times 3. So we got 3 times 1 would be only having one group of 3. So 3 times 1 equals 3 hearts. So we have 3 hearts, or 3 circles, equals 3 times 1 equals, always equals the first number, equals itself. 3 times 1 equals 3. But 3 times 2, we have that second number means there is 2 of it, 2 of the first number. So we have 3 times 2. So we have 3 groups of 2, which would be 3 times 2. If we have two groups of 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we have 6. If we have 3 times 3, which would be 3 groups of 3, that'd be 1, 2, that's one group of 3. We have 1, 2, 3 groups of 3. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's easy. All you have to do is you could just say 3, add 3 3 times. I put 3, 3, 3 and add it up. But there's an easier way. You can just think in your mind, and you have to memorize these, which we're working in the process of. It's just pretty easy. So all you have to do is just think of, if there is a 3 and then the multiplication side and there's a 2, that means there is 3 there. So we go hold on, sorry about that, guys, I'm confusing myself. So there's 3 and then a multiplication side and then a 2. So we have this, the 2 is on the right hand side. If we have that 2 means we have 2 groups of 3. So it's easy as pie. Okay, so look, let's write the right one in blank. There we go. Now, you finish up. Let's see if they got that. Was any of those right? Yeah, that's the only one that you missed. Let's see. Okay, good job. You finished that up. Okay, let's see. Let's work on ours together. Okay, so we have 8 and we have 2. That's simple.
9.
No, that would only be adding 1 to 8. We add 2 to 8. 8, 9.
10.
Okay, you work on the rest. I know you know it. Okay,
I don't know how to do that.
this is a really easy step. It says, section 2, add 3 to each. So, there is a little snail that has a number 3. And we're going to add 3 to that number 3. So 3 plus 3 is what?
6.
Okay, so you keep doing that. Let's see. That one is 6 plus 3.
9.
Good. Okay, let's see. You write this one. I don't need to write it. There we go. Okay, look, write the date. 4/3/. Good. Victoria. Okay, good job. So, you need to write your name, please. Okay, guys, so the girls are finishing up their worksheet. So since they're finished with their worksheet, they're done with school for the day. The only thing that Ella has left is reading. So, I need you to press stop on the video.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys. Let me say bye.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click like and subscribe and share with your friends.
Thanks
Bye,
for subscribing.
guys.
Bye.
Thanks for the subscribers. Bye.